Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? So, what's the new target of Vechain? And of coming days, Vechain moving up or fails down? And what's the target of 2022 and 22, my friend? They hit the target what I talk to in this video or not? Absolutely, you also share your opinion in a comment box. But let's get started. Before I get started this video, I request you, my brother, to please click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. Okay, once again, I tell you, my friend, 2024 with tiger, I tell you, this is not, my friend, exact target. This is just my opinion. This is just my prediction, my friend. To upcoming days, they move off and they hit this target. Please try to understand. Okay, if you want to research personally, then exactly this is good for you. Research personally, and then, my friend, this is, I just advise you. Okay, my friend, so come to the point. My friend, this time you can see here, I already opened the last 7 days chart, and the last 7 days chart is completely positive and 20.04% they're going up. So I think this is not a small change, and completely, if you can see here, this time they're going up like a rocket, my brother. They're going up. So if they going up, then definitely the price is increased now. And this time you can see here Vechain as one of the very fastest coin, and this time in the all over the world in the crypto market. Today moving up in a positive, but definitely, my friend, this time Dogecoin, one of the viral coin, and this time in the crypto market is also fails down. So definitely, I can't believe it. How is it possible to exert a Vechain as moving up? So if we check out the last 20-hour chart, exactly this time also in the last 20-hour also they've gone up like a rocket after a fails, short fails, my friend, and short jump. You can see here they completely gone up, but the average you can see here change occur as a positive and plus 0.32% they gone up. So I think this is very small change occur, but this time all crypto market fails down very fastly. So I think this is also very good for all holder. So holder, this time you can see here our Vechain is gone in a positive, and if they go in a positive, then absolutely they give you a very good price. And just in 2022 or at the end of this month, if you are a short time investor, then exactly, my friend, Vechain give you a very good profit at the end of this month if they go like this. But definitely, my friend, this is starting now in the second week of this month. I hope in the second week every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. So definitely good time is coming soon. Vechain holder, kindly don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. And what's the target in 2025? My friend, the 2020 target as $2. What you say, can they hit it $2? My friend, if we check out the last 7 days chart, then the average is 20%. My friend, yes, absolutely 20% change occur. So if they're moving and 10% average, just in only and 10% average, then they hit $1. But if they're moving and 20%, then exactly, my friend, this is simple and very easy to they hit $2. My friend, if they're moving and 20% change occur, they give you a 20% change occur, then absolutely, my friend, understand to they hit $2 and they make you a millionaire. So thanks for watching Vechain holder. Kindly hope you understand. Please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. Thanks for watching. Please like this video.